Quarterback snap, end zone throw, battled for and intercepted. Terrence Newman with his second pick of the day. Carr was trying to get a playoff before the 2-minute warning and lofted one up in the end zone.
Well, the player of the game for us is Terrence Newman. Second interception of the day. Numerous plays in the run game. When they needed a play at the end, he comes up and big for the Minnseota Vikings defense.
And Andre Holmes, who had a touchdown in the first half, who is 6'4", couldn't leap high enough against the 5'10" Newman, who the savvy veteran came down with it.
He thought he had the matchup that he wanted. These savvy old guys not letting the receiver get behind him. It's a huge play.
Adrian Peterson is loose.
See ya.
I don't think anybody will catch up to Adrian Peterson. It's a Viking touchdown of 80 yards.
Well, you got to think that Minnseota was just going to try to run out the clock here. Adrian Peterson one-on-one with Nico Thorpe. Breaks one tackle, and there's nobody that's going to catch Adrian Peterson. Nico Thorpe is going to come in off the left side of your screen. You see the blocks go down. Gap integrity. It's got to come to the quarterback or cornerback. And that's a tough business decision for any player, especially corners in this business on Adrian Peterson. He runs right through that tackle. A huge touchdown for Minnseota to put this game out of reach.
80-yard run. That's his 6th career 200-yard rushing game.